Well, it's finally happened. Nintendo, my number one largest stock, is finally available on Robinhood. What's up, everybody? My name is Ale. Welcome to my world of stocks. Now, if you've been watching my YouTube channel, then you know that from the creation of my YouTube channel, I was investing with E-Trade, and gradually I started switching over to Robinhood because they have commission-free trading. But I had to keep E-Trade around because Robinhood did not offer international ADR stocks, one of them being Nintendo, ticker symbol NTDOY. And if you don't know what ADR stocks are, it's just a way to invest in international companies. There are some differences in terms of ownership, but to be honest with you, on a personal level, it's just never really affected me. I never really paid attention to it, but I know some people don't really like it, but that's a topic for another video. But anyway, the only way that I could invest in Nintendo, my number one largest stock, was to use another broker, another platform like E-Trade. But now Robinhood has announced, after many people were begging and complaining for them to offer this, they finally announced that they are adding international ADR stocks. So I don't really see much of a reason to stick around with E-Trade. I think I will now start gradually moving over my entire portfolio from E-Trade over to Robinhood, just because commission-free trading is just so much better. But having said that, I completely acknowledge the fact that E-Trade and other platforms out there are much more robust, have much more functionality and better analytical tools than something like Robinhood. So if you're a very serious trader and that matters to you, I completely understand that you'd rather use those other platforms. But for me, I can honestly get all that stuff from free websites. It's not a big deal to me. And the fact that Robinhood just has free trading is a big deal. I know a lot of people are talking about M1 Finance right now, but I'm not going to get into all that right now. I've never tried M1 Finance, but I just know that a lot of people are talking about it and they like it a lot. All right, but moving on with the video, I'm going to give you guys a quick little statement that Robinhood released about this whole ADR thing that they're offering now. So they basically said, many of you have expressed interest in investing in global companies that aren't currently available on Robinhood. Today, we're thrilled to announce that we will be rolling out ADRs on Robinhood, adding over 250 new stocks. That's a lot of stocks. 250 new stocks of global companies. Invest in companies you love from around the world, from countries including China, Japan, Germany, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Some of the most frequently searched companies, such as Tencent, Nintendo, and Adidas, will now be available on Robinhood. And you know what's crazy, guys, is that I actually use Adidas shoes like almost every single day. I use a combination of Adidas and some other shoes as well. I'm not going to get into all that, but I actually use Adidas a lot. So Adidas is an interesting company that I've never even thought of. It never even popped into my head, but maybe I should make a video on them now that they're offered on Robinhood. Let me know if you guys would like me to do an analysis of Adidas stock. That one sounds kind of interesting to me. I think they are German, I want to say, and then Nintendo should be Japanese, and then Tencent should be Chinese. Oh, and one more thing that I should mention, they did also say that they will be expanding to France and offering companies like Ubisoft, or Ubisoft, I think most people say Ubisoft, pretty popular gaming company, and they're known for like Assassin's Creed and Rainbow Six Siege, a couple other games too, I think For Honor and some other ones. But anyway, that's a pretty popular gaming stock. I know we talk a lot about gaming stocks on the channel, so maybe I could do a video on them as well if you'd be interested in that. All right, now in terms of what Robinhood is still lacking, probably the biggest concern that I hear is that for serious traders, it's just not a very good platform, doesn't have enough analytical tools. But other people are also complaining about it not offering DRIP, so dividend reinvesting. But other people argue that if you don't have any commission costs, then it might be better to just use that money to buy stocks that are on sale or better buying opportunities. But that's kind of an argument that people get into, so we won't get into all that right now. And then another thing is that it's just not available in certain countries. I know a lot of my viewers are Canadian, and they say that, you know, Robinhood isn't available up there, so that's another concern. But still, Robinhood has been making some major improvements. They've added free options trading, free extended hours trading, and 24-hour crypto trading. So a lot of features have actually been coming to Robinhood, and it looks like they've been listening to concerns and been adding stuff. So I'm sure some of these other concerns will probably be worked out in the future. And you know, when I really think about it, Robinhood would be a very interesting stock to look into if they ever went public. If they ever IPO'd, I would definitely have to do a lot of research and look at all the different sides. But that would definitely be an interesting stock to watch. I really hope that they do go public at some point. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you've been supporting the channel and hitting the like button on all my videos, then I'm gonna say that you're like Robinhood. You're getting better, you're getting stronger, you're getting more attractive. I'm starting to sound like a creeper, so I'm gonna end the video and walk away very awkwardly now. But thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.